Hey guys, my name is Tony Lee. I am from Chicago, Illinois, and this is my sixth semester here at BYU, Idaho. I'm a CIT major, and I'm taking Web Backend development because I think it's a fun course, and I love the way Brother Robertson teaches, and I really enjoyed his 2:30 class, and I think personally web development is something I would want to do as a career in the near future, and I'm hoping that it'll work out. So I am in the I'm on campus in the I think it's the 11:30 a.m. class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't know. I think I don't know too much about Web Backend, to be honest. I just know it's super important, and it's something that goes very hand in hand with the front end development. And I'm excited to get to work with everyone and to get to know everyone. And I'm excited to just kind of learn and to grow while taking this class. Something unique about me, well, I was born in Taiwan, and my mom and I moved to the United States when I was 6 years old, and we lived in Dallas, Texas first, and then just before I started high school, we moved up to Chicago. So, been around and served my mission in LA, and I was Chinese speaking. So I do speak fluent Chinese. One of my greatest strengths I can bring to the class, I think, is that I'm a hard worker, I believe, and I work well with others. So whoever is in my learning team, I'm excited to work with them and to be able to collaborate and to get to know everyone in the team. And my perceived weakness that I might need help on, I think, is just probably, there's a lot of weaknesses, but I think the biggest is just understanding some of the terminology and material that will be covered. So I'll probably need help, and I just hope that everyone can be patient, and we'll make this a fun semester. Alright, thank you.